start with the class. So everybody here is familiar with their numbers. That is why I don't want to waste any one of your time here. See, we know this is number 1. We know this is 11, correct?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is 11. We know this is 20. We know this is 7. This is 17. So I don't want to waste your first day today. But do you know what exactly is number 11? What exactly is number 20? What is number 17? I can count all the way to 100, but I don't know what is 93. I just know that there are two numbers, 9 and 3. Some of us may know that, okay, 9 is in the tens place and 3 is in a ones place. So 93 is different than 39. Okay. So let's quickly start. Okay. Before that, I'll be working on a lot of tools. So you can see the tools over here. The first tool that we have is known as a 10 frame. Now, why do we call it as a 10 frame? Because we have 5 squares upper and 5 niche. Can you count with me, everybody?
Yeah.
Yes, we have 5 on the top and 5 at the bottom. Okay. Just a second. Let me call. Yeah. So, hello everybody. We have just started with the session. Just going through the numbers, putting them with the tools. So we are currently on 10 frame. And the important aspect of learning math in a fun way is that instead of counting on fingers or any other way, we have to give emphasis on subitization. Okay? Everybody here, while I was assessing them, they know the numbers on the dice pattern. Dice format they can definitely tell me this is 5, this is 6. But how about numbers above 6? Okay, so we will be working on that. You will see how we ace up from one concept to the other concept. Okay, so 10 frame is something like how you see if the entire grid in the first column, in the first row is filled up, which number will it be, Shania? If you have dots over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number it is? It's number 5. Okay. So similarly, if the entire grids are
could you
filled.
please let us in?
Yes.
Could you
Pardon
please
me.
let us in, please?
Let us in.
Yeah, the meeting. Actually, this is the
Okay.
connection is not working, so I've joined through some other thing.
Okay. I'll just do that.
Okay, thank you.
Recording.
So, children, look at this tool, which is known as the frame. Okay. We have 5 squares on the top and 5 in the bottom. Please keep yourself on mute. When there is nothing, it is known as which number? 0, right? It's 0 here. If we have these, okay. So this becomes number 5, and even when the second row is completely filled, it becomes number 10. Okay, that's it. Okay. Next is the tens and rods that you have just received in your parcel. Kian has it, right? How many of you have the tens frame, the grids, the DNS block? Okay. So now see, I will be showing it to you so you can see it on my screen. Yeah. Okay. So this is the tens rod. And why do we call it as 10? Because if you count, children, it will have 10 small pieces in it. which are stuck together. Along with this, you have the small cubes, and we will always call it as ones. Okay? So everybody, the exercise now is that place this on the table and start counting it. Just have a look over here on the other screen. Okay? I am counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if I match them, it's actually equal to the 10 ka rod that you have received. Okay? So these are 10 ones, all separated, and together we will call it as 110 all the time. Okay? So we all know how to count the numbers. If I say count 5, you will have to count 5 of these cubes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it, children? Now, if I ask you to make 11, how are you going to make 11? Anyone can unmute and answer. Samaira, how will you make, there's a Shanaya and there is a Samaira. How will you make 11? Samaira, would you like to answer? How are we going to make 11? Acha, koi baat nahi. Shriyan wants to try. Priyanka, can you please rename your...
Yes, I'll do that.
Shriyan, do you want to give me an answer? How do we make 11?
One bundle and one stick.
Yes, one bundle, that is a 10, and then one which becomes 11. I can also have all these 11 pieces together. Okay? But then I'll have a lot of things in my hand. It's going to... Oh, hi, Neve. Hi. Now, Neve ke liye I have another question, but for that I have also found a game which even mothers, you can download it. It's available on App Store. For regular practice at home, I will recommend you to have Khan Academy Kids, and these are the other apps that we will be working on. So let me open base 10 blocks for you. Okay? Okay. Can you see my screen? Yes? So one by one.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Laisha. Hello. So one by one, I'm going to ask you to answer it, unmute and answer. Okay? So first, Shriyan's turn. Shriyan, let's make the number 13. Okay? So how many rods will I need? How many bundle of 10 will I need?
One,
Okay. And how many ones am I going to need?
3.
So this is number 13. Okay. You can even read down below. You placed 110, you placed 3 ones, and together it has made the number 13. Next is Priyanka, your turn. Unmute, Priyanka. Yes. My question to you is, can you make number 25 for me?
Yeah.
So how many rods will I need for 25?
2 rods.
Let's see. Let's check on the blackboard on the screen. Is it correct? 2 rods.
Yes.
2 rods is which number?
20.
Okay. And how about the ones? How many ones are we going to need?
5.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next is Kian's turn. Kian, do you want to build higher numbers? Can you try 33?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, batao. To make 33, how many bundles of 10 we are going to need?
3.
Perfect. And how many ones are we going to need?
3.
33. Next is Laisha's turn. Laisha, are you comfortable in making a 46 for me? Can we try?
I'll try.
Okay. To make 46, how many 10s are we going to need?
6.
Okay, let's make number 12. Laisha, how are we going to make 12? Look here. I'm going to count all the numbers here, okay? Tell me which number I have made on the screen. 3 and a 3 is?
6.
This is 6. Now it becomes?
7.
Now it becomes?
8.
Now?
9.
Now? Okay, now we can only use 9 ones, okay? So what I was trying to do is, I was adding all the 11 pieces of the small cubes that I have. So I can even make 11 with these 11 ones. Okay? And in that case, I will not have any tens with me. Am I right? Because मैंने तो 10 का rod use ही नहीं किया है. Right? But we can make 11 with just 11 ones. So this number is known as what, Laisha? We have a 10 and a 3. 10 and 3 is? Okay, we will count. Laisha, this is 10 and then we have 11 as a smaller cube, 13 and, 11, 12 and 13. Correct? Yes. Neve, next is your turn. Unmute. Okay, Neve, can you make 45?
45. So how many tens will you need? How many this rod?
Okay, can you make, let's first try with a 15. Okay, Neve? Can I say that a 10 and a 5 is 15, Neve?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's make. Now on the board, do you see that I have a 10 ka bundle?
Yes.
Then I have how many ones?
3 ones.
How many more will I need?
1 more.
So now it becomes,
4.
but I have to make which number?
15.
15. So will I need to add one more ones here?
Yes.
Okay. Now which number is this?
15.
15. Yes. Okay. So, Neve, now this is 110. Do you know what is 2 tens known as? No or yes?
Don't ask me.
It's okay if you don't know. I will tell you.
20.
Yes. So if I want to make a 25, what should I do? Shall I add one more 10 ka bundle here? Is this 25?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's not got a chance? Shania has not got. Shania, next question is for you. Shania, this time I have changed the game. Shania, I can't see you. Unmute. Shania, now I've changed the game. Now, you will have to tell me which number it is. Okay, Shania? Can you try? How many rods we have here?
3.
3 rods are known as 10, 20, 30. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we have 10 and 10, which makes a 20, and 20 and 10 is a 30. And how many ones do you have? How many chota cube do you see?
5.
So a 30 and a 5 is 35. Okay? Next game. Are you ready to play next game with me? And before that, do you know your Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday?
No, ma'am.
I also don't know. It's okay. Neve, do you know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in a sequence?
Yes.
Shriyan, do you know Sunday, Monday?
What?
Sunday, Monday,
You know
can you
Sunday, Monday?
pick up three?
Monday, Monday.
Okay, let's say it together. Sunday, everybody say after me. Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday, Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. Now I'm writing everything down here. You would be like, oh, ये तो इतना simple है. आप क्या पूछ रहे हो, ma'am? Monday is so easy. Okay, I'm writing everything. Monday, Tuesday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Then-
Thursday, Friday,
learning the spelling is also important. So read with me. Okay.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. So imagine which day is today. Tell me. What day is today?
Wednesday.
Okay, so look here I am. What's going to be tomorrow?
Thursday.
Tomorrow is Thursday. See? Look here. What was yesterday? What was yesterday?
Yesterday was Tuesday.
Okay. So what will be day after tomorrow?
Saturday.
No, day after tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Tomorrow is
Friday.
Thursday. Friday is day after
Friday.
tomorrow. And what was day before yesterday? Kian?
Monday.
Very good. You know this? You also know, Kavya? Okay, fantastic. I will be giving you some challenging questions. ठीक है? Now, do you know your months of the year also? January, February भी आता है क्या?
Yes. Yes.
Laisha knows? Laisha, do you know January, February? Okay, only Laisha is going to say. Laisha, go ahead.
January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
When is your birthday month? Which is your birthday month? Your birthday comes in November, right? Abhi kya na? Nahi?
When is your birthday?
Huh?
Today is my birthday.
Seriously?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Laisha. Mama has to confirm if today is your
Yes, it is today.
Awesome. Okay, happy birthday. We wish you a very happy birthday, Laisha. Okay, now coming back to our class module. Okay. Now we will be doing little bit of subitization. It is important. Everybody should answer. Okay. I will ask the 5 here. This is very simple. Okay, very, very simple. Now I have asked you to have a board with you, like anywhere that you can write. So this is a quick test so that everybody gets a chance. As soon as you see the number, write it in the
You
copy.
need to write this
Okay.
down.
Okay, Eve, when you see this is 1 dot, you write 1. Abhi 1 dot to hai nahi na, but I will not give you the answer also.
यहाँ पे
Got
लिखो।
it? So I am going to change it in 2
कौन सा
seconds.
dot कितना dot है
Everybody,
ये? हाँ तो लिखो मत
and
पूछो।
I also want one of the mothers here, you also please write down so that we will check. I will not remember the sequence. Okay, so this is known as 5 frame, children. We all know this is 5 frame. Why? Because if you see on the blackboard, we have 5 squares there, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots do you see? Write it in the paper. Write it on your paper.
How many dots do you see?
I see 2 dots.
Let's write 2 dots. Okay, I'm changing the question. Right now, everybody, next question. Nadia, next question.
4.
I missed asking question from Nadia. Next, hurry up. Write the number.
कितने dots?
Okay, count quickly. Next question. Again, I hope someone is writing for me.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Very good, Neve. It is just a brain exercise, okay, children? Okay, stop. Mommies, did you check their work? Was it all correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now the challenge is increasing. Abhi we were just working on 5 frames. Now we will be working on 10 frames together, which means ऊपर में 5 है और नीचे में 5 है. Okay, quickly start writing the number.
Next.
I'll give 5 seconds only. Okay.
Next.
Now, deposit numbers.
If we have the entire first row filled up, it is which number without counting children? Without counting Kavya. जब ऊपर के पूरे slots filled up रहेंगे, it is nothing but one number, that is 5. Okay. Now see, we have 5 on the top and there are extra 2 dots. So 5 and 2 is?
7.
Yes, everybody work. Next. Now, here, yes, because if we have all the first row as filled up, it's 5, but there is one empty space. 5 minus 1, 1 less than 5, it is all as 4. Next. This is 5 and 1. 5 and 1 is 5 fingers and 1 more finger. Which number is this?
6.
Yes, quickly write it down. Next question. This is very easy.
1. It is 1.
Now this is very easy because it's known as a 10 frame card. If we have the entire square as filled, it is nothing but number 10. Again 10. Now computer is giving this problem, okay? It has nothing related to me. I'm not doing anything. He's making questions for you children today. Now,
9.
if the entire block, entire square grid, Neve, Shreyan, Kavya, Nadia, Shanaya, Samaira, every child here present, if the entire square grid was filled, it is 10. But यहाँ पर एक empty है नीचे right में. So 1 less than 10 is 9. Yes. This number?
4.
Very good.
7.
Excellent.
1.
Okay, no saying out now, huh? Go on mute. Chalo. Next game. Next game for everybody. Now see, here, if you know the 10 frame, children, okay? So if I put 2 10 frame, which number will it become? Yes, Kavya?
20.
Yes. So, you know, these are different tools, children. I can do math with my rods or I can do math with 10 frame also. Okay? Okay. So now, here we see 1 10 frame as completely filled up. And the other one is 0. Which number is this, children?
10.
Janaya, did you also say 10?
No.
Very good. Okay. Next question. Quickly see which number is this.
बता दो मैम को.
Shreyan, tell me which number is this.
बोलो.
Without counting.
18.
Very good. Write down 18. Fantastic, Shreyan. Okay. This one. Okay. Now, mummies, I want to do something here for them. Can you see that the colors are different? There's a significant importance as in given to this particular form of color combination. We will not say that it is a 10 and 8 right now. Abhi to they are saying so it's okay. We will be saying that it is a 9 and a 9 because there are 9 dots as red and 9 dots as blue. But right now they are young, so I am not focusing on that. But very soon we will get into the phase where they will be taught how to write the equations. Okay? So if this is in a correct format, it should have been written as 10 reds and 9 blues. But right now we have 9 reds and 9 blues, which is 18. Okay? Next. This is 1 plus 1, 2. Okay? This is 1 plus 1, 2. Now, equation. We have
12.
how many? Yeah, this is 12. How did you do it? 10 plus 2? Children, did you do it as 10 plus 2?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I ask you, Everybody, if I ask you how many reds are there? Nadia. Nadia, your question. How many reds are there?
6 red. Just 6 red.
How many blues are there?
6.
Okay, Evangeline, 6 and 6 makes?
66.
No, Nadia.
12.
Not 66. 60 and 6 is 6. Okay, we will learn that concept also. Chalo, last question. Which number is this?
4 plus
Aya,
44.
You do the red separately in the blue separately.
44.
4 plus 4 is
8.
Who said
What is-
44? I want to ask. Huh?
4 plus 4 is
Nadia. Okay,
Eight.
Nadia. Nadia, this is just 4 and 4. Look here on the blackboard. I want to make a 44 just for you. Okay? On the blackboard. Let's go to other number. We will be going back to the base 10 blocks. Nadia, see.
Right?
Nadia, question is only for you. Everybody, this is a very important concept and every child makes this mistake because you know when we were learning the number, we say 198 is 198, right? We say 4 and 6 is a 46. That is why if the child sees a 4 and a 4, the child will say it is a 44. So the problem is not, Nadia, you are not wrong. It was just like we were not taught this way. ठीक है? चलो, Nadia, आप मेरे को 10 बताओ कैसे बनेगा? Is this number 10?
Yes. Yes.
This is
20.
20.
10 and 10, 20.
20.
this is
30.
30.
3
And
मतलब
this
30.
40. 40.
अच्छा 44 बनाएंगे तो हम ये लगाएंगे यहाँ पर ऐसे
1 1
Yes.
4.
तो Nadia,
40.
is this 44 because we have a 40 and 4? Everybody? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, just a second. Now ये इधर आ ही नहीं रहा है. So I can't do that for you. Back to my screen. Everybody. I want to make a number 45. ठीक है? This is a 4. And this is a 5. Which number is this, children?
45. 45.
Huh?
45. 45.
Okay. Another question.
से बोलो. 4 plus
45.
अब मुझे बताओ इसमें से 45 कौन सा है? A की B? 45 के लिए we need 40. यहाँ पर तो सिर्फ 4 और 5 है. 4 and 5 is 9.
This is
So
1,
not
2, 3, 4.
45.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is a bundle of 4
9 and this is
and a
45.
5. 45. Got it?
But
Chalo,
Did you
next.
do you get it?
Let's do this one if we have another game here. Just a second. Okay, now this is very important. If mommies, if you're interested, please send me a message. I will share the link to get this. It's on App Store. Okay. Now, children, see, look which number this is carefully. Okay, this is known as Domino's. Okay, not the pizza that we eat, but this game is known as Domino's. Okay, Shanaya. Okay. Yes, Laisha. How many yellow dots do you see?
6.
How many green dots do you see?
Yes.
2. Nadia, can you tell me how many dots are there in total? Okay, just count the dots. Okay, jaldi se. 6 and 2 is
8.
And then we have another blues here, right? How many blues
10.
do you see? Very good. 8 and 2 is 10. So are you excited to play this game with me, everybody? Evanjali,
Yes.
next your turn. Okay? Next is your turn. Next question is only for Evanjali. Can you tell me which number is this?
Which number is this?
Evanjali, yellow kitna hai? How many yellows do you see?
6.
How many blues do you see?
5.
6 plus 5 is? 6 and 4 is a 10. 6 and 4 is a 10. We have one more than 10. What is one more than 10? 11. Okay. Next question. Next question. Let me see the question and then I will ask. Tushnaz. Next question is for you. Are you listening?
Yes.
Tushnaz. Yes. On the left hand side, how many red do you see?
How many reds? Left hand side red.
3.
And how many greens?
2.
Total, how many numbers are there? How many dots are there? 3
And
and
then
a 2 is?
3 and 2. Open 3 fingers. Then you open 2 fingers. 1 and 2. How many are these?
6.
Oh,
Okay, no. Tushnaz, listen. Tushnaz, you see there are 3 dots and after 3 start counting. The first green is the 4th one and the second green is the 5th one.
no.
Okay? Not on your finger, but even on the dots you can start counting. Okay, so here we have 5.
2.
And how many dots do you have on the other side?
6. 7.
No, not like this. You count it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 dots.
Okay.
6 dots.
Okay. So in total, Nadia, how many dots are there? We have 5 on one side, 6 on the other side. 5 and 6 makes what? 56? Who wants to answer?
11. 11.
11. Great. Next question. Now, see. Count the dots quickly.
1,
We
2,
have
3, 4,
no
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. You know the sequence. You know that there are 5 dots there. 5 and 1, 6 ho gaya. 6 and 4 is?
6.
10.
4 is?
6 and 4 is? No counting on finger. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Now, after this, we want to do a math problem. Now, you would be like, ma'am, we're just 4, 5, and 6 years old. We can't do story problems. I'm sure a lot of you can do. But see how we can solve the story problem here. Very simple way of solving. Okay? Solve with me. Just mute yourself, children. Kim has 6 cupcakes. Okay? So, on my 10 frame, I will draw the cupcakes. Can you see magically cupcakes are raha hai, Nadia? 6 cupcakes. Okay, so I know upar mein 5 hai and then one more is 6. Now she gave 4 to Pam. I have 6 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I gave 4 to Pam. I gave 4 to Pam. Okay. How many cupcakes are left? Yes. Yes. We have 2 cupcakes left with us. If we do it on the number line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cupcakes. Now we have given 4 to Pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are left with 2 cupcakes. Okay? So the answer is 2 cupcakes are left. And it's important for us to write down the equation. So we will be writing 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay? So even if we don't know that, but we are just listening to it as a story. Good job. Who wants to try this next one with me? Nadia, do you want to try? Kavya wants to
Yes.
try? Okay. So Kavya, after Nadia, you will be trying, okay? Read the question.
Sam has 4 fish. His dad gave him 4 more fish. How many fish does Sam have in all?
What should I do first, Nadia?
4 fishes.
4 fish. And then
4 more.
okay. Now, because of the 10 frame, you don't even need to count children. 4 plus 4, 8 dikh raha hai na, because we have seen that the pattern here is 8, right? So I drew,
Yeah.
for example, right? If I am drawing the 4 fish like this, I'm not going to say fishes because plural mein fishes hota nahi hai. Okay? So I've made the 4 fishes over here, fish over here. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Okay. But if we are doing the same on 10 frame, it becomes so easy for the child to give the answer as 8. That is why 10 frame is such an important tool in maths when it comes to addition and subtraction. Let's do the same on the number path. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Now, since she has got more fish, she's going to go further, right? 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Correct? And what will be
Yes.
the equation, Nadia? Equation, what should I write?
4 plus 4
Is equal to?
8. 8.
Perfect. Perfect. Next is Kavya's turn. Okay. Kavya, please read.
I got a big job. Kim had 2 balloons. Her mom gave her 3 more balloons. How many balloons does Kim have in all?
Okay, so I'm drawing it for you. Kim, say, had 2 balloons and mom gave her 3 more. Nadia, mute karo beta. Okay. Okay. Kavya. Kavya, now suppose if I don't know what is 2 and what is 3, I don't know what 2 plus 3 is. But if I know that I have to just place these numbers, these objects on the 10 frame. Shania on the screen. Okay. So now, first, how many balloons she had?
2.
Correct? Now,
Yes.
what happened?
Her mom gave her 3 more.
Okay. Unko baad mein aane bolna. So, what's the total number of balloons? 5. It's so easy, na, Shania. See, you can see the 10 frame and you can do the addition. Correct? Now, if we are following the same thing on the number line, we had 2, then we got 3 more. We have reached which number on the number line, Neve?
5.
5. Neve, do you want to do the next maths with me? You want to do it with me, Neve? Yes or no?
Yes.
And uske baad Laisha wants to do. So if we have anything related to birthday, then Laisha will be doing it. Okay. Okay. So let's see the question. Oh, it's bird food. Okay. Neve, it is your turn. Neve, is Laisha your sister?
Yes.
Okay. Let's read the question, but I am going to read it for you. Emma put some bird food under the tree. 5 birds were eating the food. 1 more bird came by to get some food. How many birds are there by the tree now, Neve? आप तो ऐसे ही बता दोगे.
There were 5 birds.
There were
and
5
one
birds.
So how
1
many
more
birds
bird
now?
came.
6.
Yes. Now see if Neve is correct or not. On the 10 frame, I will be drawing 5 birds. Correct? Now 1 more bird came. Without counting, we know this pattern that it is 6. So 6 is the answer. Laisha, your turn. Sui picked 5 apples and put them in her basket. Her mom put 2 more apples into her basket. How many apples does she have in her basket? What shall I do, Laisha? सबसे पहले कितने apples थे उसके पास? 5. Is this 5 on the 10 frame? Laisha, अगर ऊपर का पूरा blocks filled है ना तो वो 5 होगा. Now she got 2 more. So together में which number it is? 7. Okay. So she has 7 apples. Evanjali, now it is your turn. Fred, you can read. Evanjali, start reading and tell me how to answer this.
Fred kicked the ball 2 times. Then kicked the ball 5 times. How many times did they kick the ball in all?
Yes. So what should I do first?
2 plus 5
Plus 2. And then we have 5 more. And the answer is?
7.
Look, can you see on the 10 frame? Look at the 10 frame, Evanjali. This pattern is a 7. Upar 5, niche 2. 5 and 2 is 7. Okay, done. Okay, now let's change the game and see what else do we have. Now, how many more concept is little tricky, but still I want to check. Okay, Evanjali ke liye question hai. Evanjali, how many blue dots do you see?
4.
How many more do you need to make a 10? Which means no counting on the finger.
See the 10 more.
Which means that 10 minus 4 is what? So let's quickly fill the blocks over here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? So the answer is 6, Evanjali. Would you like to try again?
Yes.
Okay. Next question. Oh, tell me the answer without counting.
3.
Perfect. Now, who wants to go next? Come on, raise your hand. Kian, do you want to go? Okay, perfect, Kian. Next question is for you. Okay. Kian. Kian, try to read, okay? Start, Kian.
How many more to make?
So, Kian, how many dots are already there in blue?
9.
How many more do you need?
1.
So, 9 plus 1 is?
10.
Perfect. Okay. Next is Khan Academy Kids. I just want to show you how you can use it for your regular practice. Okay? It's fun.
Khan Academy Kids.
Volume is pretty low. So we go here. We come here. So here we have maths, we have logic, we have even reading, letters, everything, children and parents. So if I go on math, I have selected kindergarten level. And here we have groups of 10, we have counting numbers till 13 and so on, numbers till 20. So initially you should start with this and then you can increase the level to first grade also. Let's see what is there in first grade. We have a lot of equations, we have a lot of subtraction and minus, plus, minus, subtraction and addition also. We have a lot of questions on place value too. I want to do this one with you because we have been familiar to tens frame.
This is 1 box of 10
Are you able
crayons.
to listen to it?
And I have 3 more here. How many crayons are there
10
altogether?
and 3 is?
There is 1 pack of 10 and 3 extra crayons. There are 13 altogether.
Okay.
I needed them to draw
Yes.
this.
So let's play the game, okay?
How many crayons are there?
So we have
Add
a
the
group
pack
of 10 and a
with the
2.
single crayon.
Which number is it, Nadia? 10 and 2 is?
How many crayons are there? Add the pack of 10 with the single crayons.
Okay. Next,
You
I'm
did
going to give
it.
everybody
There
a
are
chance now.
12.
Next is Laisha's turn.
How many crayons
Laisha, we
are
have
there?
a 10 and a 4. Which number it's going to be? Very good.
Cool beans.
Next
There
is
are
Kian's turn.
14.
Kian.
Let's
But
look
this
at
is a
10
10 frame,
frames.
children, huh?
How many
The
dots
question
are
has
in
changed.
the 10 frames? Tap
Which
the
number is this, Kian? We have a 10 frame and then there is an extra 3. Which number is this?
Let's look at 10 frames. How many dots
Kian,
are in the
are you
10
there?
frames? Tap the number.
13. Shriyan, next is
There
your
are
chance.
13.
Shriyan.
One 10 frame is filled, which makes 10.
Next
There
question,
are
okay? Wait.
3
It's-
in the other frame. How many dots
Now tell
are
me,
in the 10
which number
frames?
is this, Shriyan?
Tap the number.
Batao. We have a 10 and niche
How
mein there
many
is a
dots are in the 10 frames? Tap the
6.
number.
10 and 6 is?
16.
Yes. Okay, so this is how
There
we
are
should be doing multiple
16.
exercises with children. We've almost finished the class today. Okay. Buddy, if there is any query, you can ask me now.
Ma'am, we'll be getting the recorded
Yeah,
session. now. If you are
It's a
getting it, we can run now.
Yeah. The class is anyways over. Yes.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Yes. Bye.